where I'm supposed to be. So I close my eyes and let my thoughts flow free. I know where I'm supposed to be. So I close my eyes and let my thoughts flow.
And so I tell him how this music is my savior. It's free in my bones, guidelines for the hard times I've seen on the road. Well, I'm releasing my secrets, defeating my demons and meeting ends. Me and my friends, well yeah, I'm keeping them close by spitting bandage raps, burning hot off the top, laying candle wax. Proper, can you handle that? I'm not even reading the notes. It's Dylan A Game and Kia Rowe. Believe it and be greeted by the three of us both. I couldn't claim that I grew up with a karaoke mic, and I don't claim to rock out on karaoke nights. Matter of fact, I don't even know what karaoke's like, cause this is just me that I carry always right. And it's fate that I'm here, but at the same time I chose my own path and I'm happy I made mine. All you wannabe rappers are having the same shine, but couldn't rock as hard as one of Devin Arnie's bass lines. Yeah, I've been through an emergency once in which I couldn't find the words that I loved, but then through that experience I'm perfect enough. And men, you are all rappers that'll worthlessly be serving for lunch. Get it?
I know where I'm supposed to be. So I close my eyes and let my thoughts flow free. I know where I'm supposed to be. So I close my eyes and let my thoughts flow free.
What up? What up? Yeah. The flow's vintage like my snapback. Talents where they lack at. Y'all can't even keep up with my swag raps. Keep it funky with honeys, I'm trying to smash that. Spread her like she ain't a keg, but I gladly tap that. You already know I'm asking, where's the grass at? Hit it till you high, that's the rules when we pass that. Let's take a pic, call Dio for you step that. A-Game got him throwing up, do work like a grad cap. I'm hurting them with my dreams. Freddie got him looking scared, you claim to be rappers, homie, I took it there. Killing mics in the limelight, your girls looking stare. You clowns couldn't even book a fare. Come at me, you shouldn't dare. The flow is about as rare as seeing Drew Gooden's hair. If you don't fuck with me, then you never understood a player. Light one, no need to even ask to put it good in there.
I spit about the most random shit. I don't even need the beat, just hand me the kick. And when I say that I rap, don't demand me to spit, because I'll go so hard that your speakers are clip. Yeah, that's how I turn this daydream into a day job. With my closed fist up, pointing where the saints are. Life's good, but not all of it's me, cause some of the stuff I bear on my shoulders is grisly. Listen to the beat and close my eyelids. When I'm in the zone, I'm alone on an island. It's just me and the music, let memories just envelop me. And when it's done developing, everything goes silent. Me in the moment, alone in a room full of photographs from my past, those telling me what I couldn't have. Haters I accumulated said I couldn't make it. A doctor giving quizzes, this is testing my patience. I'ma make it till the day that I die, no joke. I spit it dope to death, I'll be rocking in the nursing home. Old gray lunch trays, what I